Hello, this is DJ Sushi, and today you guys are going to meet some speed cubers. Hello, we're here with our first contestant, Steven. This is the Rubik's Cube cubing competition. So Steven, how long have you been playing with Rubik's Cubes for?
I've been cubing since 7th grade, so it's about 2 years.
2 years, nice. So what's your fastest time?
My fastest time is 12 seconds, although I've gotten it like multiple times. So.
Oh wow, it's amazing. So I think we're gonna start now. All right, this is round 1 of 3. Both of our Rubik's Cubes has the same mix-up, so yeah. Steven got round 1. $39. 9-1.
19.72.
$39.79.
22.36.
Steven with the sweep, 3-0. And on with our next contestants. Since Ian and Michael, I'm going to ask you guys a couple of questions. So, Ian, how long have you been playing with Rubik's Cubes for?
I've been cubing since 7th grade, but I haven't cubed in about a year, so.
Oh, okay. So, what's your fastest time?
My fastest time was 12 seconds.
12 seconds, wow. And Michael, same question to you. How long have you been doing it for?
So I started in 8th grade, but I've been pretty on and off for the past year, I'd say.
On and off, all right. So what's your fastest time?
My fastest time was a bit over 15 seconds, but right now I average closer to like 25.
All right, you guys can grab your cubes now.
$19.81.
21.63. I got 26.9.
No!
What's the time?
20.3.
21.55.
I got a 22.
7. That was so bad. $16.85.
Mine was 21 point something.